Do you know if you go to this website, you are going to generate AI videos for free? In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to download videos, make lip sync with image, and generate a long video for free without paying anything. Let me show you. First of all, you go to your ChatGPT and generate your images with your prompt. Then you go to this website, Google Fit. You click on sign in, create an account with your email. Then you click on this first option, VO3. So next thing, what you're going to do is to click on this icon, animate video. The image we downloaded, click on image, agree. So I'm going to choose any images here. I'm not going to give full details. So next thing is to paste your prompt. Then you click on generate. So let's give it some time. The video is now ready. So let's preview it. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on it and click on insert. Once you are done with this one, you will go to the next one, cancel this, and generate another video. So this is how you're going to do it, one after the other, until your video is fully ready. Once it's ready, then you click on this file, click on download, then you choose MP4 video or GIF. So of course you have to choose MP4, then you download it. This is how you're going to make your videos for free. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe and share. Thank you.